So, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a Jenna Squishy package that I got. Came in this really cute bag. And I did get this for Christmas, but it came the day after Christmas, so I thought I'd make a separate video for it. So let's just get right on to Squishies. So here is the Squishy. It's really big. As you can see, this is it compared to my face. It's really big in my hand. Sorry, I have stuff on my hand, just ignore that. Super cute, and it's not airy at all. It's a really nice texture, and it's really smooth on the back, which I love. And how squishy this is, it's amazing. And the licensing is right at the bottom if it will focus. And that's super cute. The lighting just got weird. There you go. And this was actually on sale, I'm pretty sure. So on the next squishy, I got from Jenna was this cat hamburger squishy by Squishy Shop Indonesia and Popular Boxes. And the packaging is so cute. I love it. And this is a squishy. It smells like kind of like a perfumey, fruity type scent, but it smells so good. Not like a cheeseburger, which is good. And it's really cool how the lettuce sticks out and all the layers stick out. It's super cute. Little face, the color. The lighting keeps getting weird on me, but yeah, it's super cute. Lighting, there we go. And it does have, like, I don't know, the paint's a little messed up there, but can't even really tell. We'll do one more squish. It just holds the fingerprints like so nice. I love it. Sorry about the camera change, but the next squishy I got was this Prima egg toast, and these are so popular right now, so I had to get one. Packaging is adorable. These are all the ones you could get, even though they have colors on them when really they're all white. And so the toast that I got was my favorite one besides the rainbow one. This is the one I wanted. So cute, and it's really thick. And it's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but so cute. And on the back it says, "Butter, believe me," with a little splat of butter, and that's so cute. It's actually really airy for a squishy this size. And it's super soft, and the texture is like amazing. I'm definitely going to be getting another one of these toasts soon with my Christmas money. But as you can see, it's really slow rising. Here's the licensing. It's not going to focus because it's brown. But yeah, it's so cute. And I love it. So next I got this pulley heart macaroon. The tag is my favorite thing ever. And I got the white design with the pink filling. So shiny and really slow rising. Here's the licensing. Licensed by Popular. Super duper cute. So next I got this Tuxedo Sam pull apart bread, whatever you want to call it. So cute. I say cute a lot, I'm sorry. But they are. Really slow rising. You've probably seen these so many times. But I don't have any, so this is my first one. And the last squishy that I purchased was this Pet Zoo mini sheep. It comes with like a plastic charm, which is so cute. And I got the Galaxy. So cute. I love it. Next, Jenna gave me a squishy extra because if you purchased over $50 before shipping, you got one of the pulley buns, Christmas buns. So here's the tag. I actually got the other 3 designs too, so I'm so happy that I got this one. To complete the set. It's so slow rising. Look at this little cheeks. They're so cute. I think it might be out of focus. Sorry about that. But it's so cute. And of course, Jenna gave me a lot of stickers and a pen. But I'm not going to go through all the individual stickers, but she also gave me these stickers, which are so cute. So thank you so much, Jenna, for the amazing extras. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the squishy package. And be sure to subscribe for new videos every Friday and turn on post notifications so you know when I post. And bye, guys!